We're back here at the San Juan Arena for a game between UST and National University. Balikan natin yung usapan as we see the victorious Ateneo de Manila University Lady Eagles, who are replenishing now after the game.
Chillax na sila.
Scoring their second win. Easier work this time compared to the FEU match that they had over the weekend. I like what you said about Kai Nepomuceno, that you think she's going to go back to her season 73 ways because of the entrance of Dindin Santiago.
I think it was really more of the pressure that Mangu wasn't with her anymore, and she was all alone.
That's a great point.
To do everything for NU, and that was exactly her situation last year. Parang kumbaga, inaasahan talaga siya.
Bigla na lang, Ako na lang bigla.
That's right.
Wala
so I guess she will play more relaxed this year. And yun lang, kailangan lang talaga. It's going to be, I think, Santiago and dapat si Kai Nepomuceno as the 1-2 punch of NU.
That's a great point. And yan ang ating abangan dito. Kasi the spotlight obviously will be on Dindin. But you'd love to see Kai. Kasi ang ganda nun nangyari sa kanya nung season 73. As a volleyball fan, Mosey, you like to see players bring something new and talagang gain so much confidence. So the year after, as Santiago is able to put it away again on the left side this time, giving them a 2-point lead here. And I also hate seeing players regress or lose confidence. I don't like seeing that. It happens. But again, as a fan, parang ayaw mo rin nakikita, no?
Kasi you think that it's more mental than anything. Then nakita mo na siya on her peak, in her peak, diba? Tapos bigla makikita mo after that, after the next year, ang layo pa yung game.
Kasi hindi naman physical, kasi may mga nalalaglag na player dahil parang hindi inialagaan yung katawan. But in her case, it wasn't that. As Pablo here, the ball sent back. Perez puts it on the other side. Caballero goes cross-court. Nepomuceno was there. Santiago able to put it away here. National University looking good at the start of this first set.
Now that was a well-played ball for NU. They really took care of that ball. Their motion inside the court was really well. They scored the point.
Okay, since it's early in this match, I want your thoughts this time. Dito tayo sa kabila kay Lauren Lantin. Me and Doc Ian, as much as possible, I don't like mentioning